Yay! So I just wanted to share some interesting thing that I found on Gemini. The other day, I decided to come up with a meal plan, a healthy meal plan for myself. And I was thinking, okay, I need to do it 30 days. Let's start with 30 days meal plan, something sustainable. And while I started to write it out, I'm like, wait, hold up. I don't need to do this myself. So I went into Gemini and asked Gemini to create a 30 days meal plan for me. Sometimes it pays to be a little bit lazy, just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to show you basically how it went. I have to start from the top, like, but I'm not going to start the whole prompt. I'm just going to show you the prompts that I wrote. Gemini. So there you go. So this is what it looks like. Basically, I started with by introducing myself. It wasn't a long, something really short. Introducing myself, what I do, and then some basic information about me, my height, my weight, and Gemini s- like calculated my BMI, said gave me more information as to how healthy I am based on the information that I provided. Then I asked Gemini to create a healthy meal plan for me. But because I'm Nigerian and I like spicy, well seasoned meals, I asked it to incorporate Nigerian meals in this 30 days meal plan. And in less than what, 1 minute, it gave this very comprehensive meal plan, giving some key principles and some other controls that I could use. But if you're Nigerian and you're looking at this meal plan, you see that basically it has like a lot of Nigerian meals in there: jollof rice, efforiro, okra soup, beans porridge, whatnot, like everything you can think of, like Nigerian meals, ofada rice, moi moi, you know. So this was already getting me excited. I'm like, yeah, this is the meal plan. And then while I was going through this, still reading and making sure that it looked accurate and realistic, right? Gemini decided to go for that. And it was like, oh, you think I've done something? Okay, let me show you something else. And while I was still reading this, then it continued to populate this response to say to make your 30-day healthy Nigerian meal plan more engaging and easier to use, I'll transform it from a static document to a dynamic interactive web application. I'm like, let's have it. And when I open the interactive web app, this is basically what it's going to look like, right? But I'm like, how do I bring this to life? Gemini already gave me the code. Mind you, I don't even know half of what this is, but it has given me the code to use and how to actually um, build the web app. Mind blowing. Yeah. Web developers, you can think whatever, but for someone who doesn't know how to code, this is next level for me. So with the code, I think it also gave a breakdown on. So I asked, how do I use this code to create the web app? Basically gave me four methods: method one, method two, method three. Okay, three methods. And then it advised that the first method was the easiest method, being the easiest thing, so I decided to go for that. And then I tried and tried and tried. It just wasn't working the way I wanted it to. So I started to ask a question, like it was my teacher, like we're having a conversation. So I said, for option one, step five, how do I open the file in the browser? I was asking follow-up questions, and it was just giving me the answers to the questions, but still option one didn't work for me. So I decided to use option two, which is using an online code editor. I don't even know what those are, but yeah, that is basically what it asked me to use. So I just use, I think, Stackblade. I'm not sure. I used one of these. And from there, from this, I went in there, created the profile, copied that code, pasted it here, and then I deployed. I clicked on deploy here, and after I deployed, it gave me a preview of what the meal plan is supposed to be. And then when I copied this link, there you go. My meal plan is live. So this is like really, really, really interesting for me to see. And it's just giving me so many other ideas of how I can use Gemini in my personal life and how I can use it at work. I mean, there's so many iterations and so many examples, so many cases. use cases for Gemini and for AI at work, but bringing it into my personal life and some other personal project that I might have, that is like next level for me. So in the comment, tell me how else you've been using Gemini or ChatGPT or whatever one you use.